Well, the Padma Shri Tota Tarini also was part of the Lifestyle Awards that has been organized by NDTV Hindu, and it so happened that my colleague Natasha Doraisamy caught up with this person who has been, winning the award for the best contemporary artist category. Natasha did catch up with him. Let's listen in.
We have a very special gentleman here with us today. It is indeed hard to find words to really describe him. Congratulations, sir, to you first. This is Tota Tarini here with us today. So really, sir, do tell us what it feels like to be best contemporary artist chosen by the people of Chennai itself.
Very proud because all these years I've been working as a painter and as an art director also, but every time it comes into the papers it's an art director Tota Tarini, it's not. But I've been working simultaneously from the age of say 15 or 14, and it's proud that to get this kind of an award into this so-called world of Hindu and NDTV, and it makes me to say in a few words that it's whenever you receive an award, it's always good and it's always bad. The bad is the scary part of it, that you have to do a lot of good work. And I've been having shows and things like that, and this really peps me up a lot to have many more shows. It's already the 45th show I've already had on my paintings, so I might be continuing more and more on this.
All right, it does have a deep connection with the city of Chennai, considering they're the ones who voted for you. But after the fact that now the pressure is slightly off, what are you looking forward to the most after this from here on forth? What kind of ideals are you trying to set?
Just hard work, that's all. I mean, I don't know, but the other things follow up. As far as you're sincere and you work hard, then nothing comes through. So I feel that the hard work still continues, whatever the age might be.
All right, one last thing, sir, before I let you go, I know you have to be somewhere, but lifestyle, your definition of lifestyle and the fact that NDTV Hindu is hosting these award ceremonies.
Lifestyle is nothing but being as simple as and modest as possible, and genuine to your work and your dedication.
Well, Vasco's at the Hilton did bag the multi-cuisine award in the viewers category. So let's listen in to what the hotel is dishing out for the viewers that chose this hotel.
If you ever thought of where you'd like to test those taste buds, then it certainly is voted by Chennai, of course, at Vasco's, if I'm not wrong, at the Hilton Hotel. So a big congratulatory message from all of us here at NDTV Hindu that you have won this Best Multi-Cuisine Award here at the Lifestyle ceremony. So what are your thoughts, considering it's your first day, if I'm not wrong, as the GM?
It makes me, of course, very proud. I know the team at the hotel did a fantastic job opening the hotel from March, and DJ next to me, the F&B manager in the hotel, together with the kitchen teams, of course, and the service, made this award possible, I think. And it's because of the people voted for the restaurant, so obviously they like what they have received, service-wise and definitely also food-wise. So I'm extremely proud to start my first day with an award.
It's fantastic, isn't it? A good feeling, really, to have a team like this. Now, do tell us, is Chennai sort of falling under that category of having a great lifestyle?
Yeah, sure. Actually, when I came here almost 2 years ago, we hardly had any good mall. Now you see Excess Avenue coming up. You have very, very upcoming all these new hotels with the new concepts. I think people are pretty open for the changes, and they love to experiment new stuff. And I think Vasco's is appreciated pretty well with the Chennai because it caters to global cuisine. We have Indian element as well as the South Indian element, and of course international cuisine.
All right. So, do you believe now? If you could just lift the award itself up for the camera, do you believe that you have tickled Chennai's taste buds?
I'm sorry, I didn't get you.
Do you believe that you have tickled up Chennai's taste buds?
Yes, of course. This is just the start. There are many more outlets to come in Hilton Chennai. We just opened yesterday a Q bar, destination bar, which is a rooftop open air bar. We have a wine and cheese bar, so many more options. So it's good. It's good for the Hilton. The Hilton Chennai is offering more options to the residents of Chennai.
Well, now that Chennai has voted you as the best multi-cuisine restaurant, certainly it is something that I will be looking forward to the next time I head out and want to wine and dine somewhere. Thanks so much, and a big congratulations to both of you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, that's all we have at the moment. We leave you with the best moments of the NDTV Lifestyle Awards. Enjoy and good night.